Okay, Allure 2021 hockey box. We're gonna open it up. It's my first box ever. Did you take some of the packs out of this? 3 of the packs are missing. I think my girlfriend's, or no, what? How many packs? Okay. Oh, 5 packs. Thought we were getting scammed. All right. Boom. Let's see what we get. Are you nervous, baby?
I'm excited. I want to see what you got.
I don't know how you're supposed to open these packs. I don't know if there's like a way. We'll just bite it. All right. Tyler Benson. Rookie card. Boom. Connor Hulkelbuck. I don't know if any of these are good, so we'll see. We'll put the rookie cards on the side there. Jake Gnexel. Allure. A diagnostics card, whatever that is. Nico Heusler. Put that there. Oh, another rookie card. William Foundy. For who the fuck does he play for? Columbus. Columbus. That's a rookie card. So we got 2 rookies. Oh, 3 rookies. Jason Robertson. Boom. There we go. All right, let's open another pack. We got 5 samples. All right. We got Pecorine. Allure. We got Pavel Francouz's rookie card. Oh, this one's a weird rookie card too. I don't know. Anyway, not a big deal. We'll put that on the side there. Then Ryan McLeod, rookie card. Another different one. Oh, and another Pavel Franco, but this one's also a different one.
What makes it different?
I don't know. See, there's that one. Let's put these down and we'll just compare them. See? They're different. So I don't know what that means or if one's better than the other, but we got 2 of him there. Cool. And we got a Victor Orlofsson rookie card with the little like, NHL things. Yep. See, boom. Good enough. And this Igor Shetskarin. Amazing. All right. Let's see. Ooh. Alexander Barkov. Brendan Gallagher. Absolute fucking garbage. Alright. We got Andrei Vasilevsky. Pretty good. Ooh, we got a cool one here. This is a grand entrance card. I don't know if this is good, but it's Victor Soderstrom. Grand entrance card. Amazing.
Let's take a look at it.
Yep, it is. And then we got a Igor Zuluma. Rookie card. What's that red one? What's the grand entrance, babe? And Patrick Kane. Great player. So we're 3 out of 5. We're 3 of 5 deep. 2 left. Incredible. These packs are not easy to open. Damn it. Alex Bazili. Rookie card. Trash, though, because he's on Montreal once again. Oh, shit, I was putting people here that I was supposed to. Rookie card. Steven Stamkos. Wow. Great player. The captain. Anders Lee. Also the captain. Ooh, the Victor Stratosturm rookie card. So the guy that we got in the grand entrance, he's a rookie. Get it there, Jim.
So the grand entrance is dedicated to the league's top rookie prospect.
Ooh, cool. So we got a top rookie. And we got a Dylan Strome, Allure. But this one isn't a rookie card, but it's got the NHL things around. I don't know what that means. It's pretty cool, though. I like it. We'll put him there. And then Zach Parise. Also a great player.
The diagnostics one, it says that he did the checklist of active stars. That's all it says.
Cool. What are those things? The ones with the like NHL symbols on them? We're getting a bunch of them, so I don't imagine they're that good. Oh, I think we got another grand entrance one in here. No, we don't. But it's a red rookie card. Wow. That seems amazing. Okay, we got Travis Konecny. Boom. John Gibson. Wow. Oh, we got a rookie card. It's a blue one. This is our second one of these. It's Ali Jalevi. Amazing. Great player. Oh, and we got him back-to-back. Ali Jalevi. But this guy's a red rookie card. Wow. What does this mean? The red one.
I don't know.
Cool.
It's hard to find.
This is exciting because everything seems amazing. But I don't know if they're. Keith Yandel. One of these. And absolute garbage, Nick Suzuki. Nick Suzuki. And that's it. That's the pack opening.